everybody, it's Shanna P. Today we are gonna do a look inspired by Winx Club. Today I am Daphne, Nymph of Cyrenix. I would like to thank Team Collab for inviting me to do this series. Other Winx Club characters will be portrayed by beautiful, talented Filipina YouTubers from this group. I hope you check out their videos too. If you like this look in this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button. If you want to see more from me, subscribe to my channel. And for any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to write it down below in the comment box. Alright, if you want to see how I transform from Shanna P to Daphne, then keep on watching this video.
Always start with a clean and moisturized face. I'm using my daily moisturizer from Celotex. For sheer coverage and to simply brighten my complexion, I use Etude House Blooming Fit BB Cream in W13. Before putting a layer of concealer, I dab some cheek tint for that naturally flushed cheeks. Finally, going back to my Naturactor concealer, I'm gonna dab that on my highlight areas, namely my under eye area, nose line, forehead, brow bone, my lip, and my chin. And voila! Surprise! Blend it out evenly with the warmth of my fingers, then we can proceed to powder. I wanted to have an overall blooming look, so I just did very minimal contouring. Then I set my face with this FS two-way cake in organza. With a fluffy brush, I contoured my nose using this Etude House powder. Next, let's move on to the brows. I used this Monomola 7-Day Eyebrow Tattoo in brown to draw some thin short lines to mimic my eyebrow hair. Then I used a lighter shade from the Milani palette to provide contrast and to fill in the sparse areas. Then tinted my brows using my favorite Etude House Brow Gel. Before starting our eye makeup, get a tape and stick that on the back of your hand for a few times. This reduces the tackiness and gives you enough coverage to guide the shape of your eyeshadow. Then I started packing this green pencil on the inner 2/3 and this blue-green pencil on the outer corner of my eye as a base. Try to resemble a cat eye shape while doing this. Next, we're gonna add our pigments. I started with a sea green pigment on the inner third, then aqua, followed by teal or blue-green on the outermost corner. Originally, Daphne has a solid sea green color, but I wanted to add a gradient effect. Blend to your liking, remove the tape, and proceed to eyeliner. Just follow the cat eye shape that you already created and make a thin line on the upper lash line. Make the wing of your liner thicker like so, and then just fill in the space. Once you're done, also try extending your eyeliner to the inner canthus of your eye. Then get the dark brown matte powder to define your cut crease. Line along the upper edge of your eyeshadow and blend it seamlessly. Don't forget to highlight your brow bone too. Next, apply white eyeliner on your waterline. Then, using a thin angled brush, pick up a black eyeshadow to line your lower lash line. Keep the inner corners open to make an exaggerated almond shape. Next, apply a little aqua and sea green below it. To mattify the black eyeliner, simply set it with a black eyeshadow. Pop on some lashes and we're almost done. This is how the makeup looks so far. Get a mauve pencil and try to reshape your lips. Make the top lip heart shape and the lower lip a tad thicker. Then I finished the lip with this matte magenta lipstick. I wanted to look more flushed, so I went back with this peachy pink cheek color. And to amp up the pixie feel, I highlighted my face using this MAC Verbaceous Iridescent Powder. This is the finished makeup look. All that's left to do is to wear my DIY wig. I combined my bunny and Catty Noir wig for Daphne's hair. And I suggest you to use a pink scrunchie instead of a plastic bag. And this is the finished look for Daphne of Winx Club. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.